The impact is one of those fluid impacts, and the bit is a number 2 Phillips head bit. Yep, the footage is pretty awkward on the first part. Haven't really gotten the hang of this GoPro. If you're changing out a brake light bulb, there's like little tabs you have to spread, and the plastic's going to be really brittle, so watch out.
Oh, it's tight.
And it's like 40 degrees and it's raining. And I'm wearing a t-shirt, I think. Oh, importantly, these were $35.50 after tax and shipping on eBay for 2 of them. I think that's a pretty darn good deal. The top brake bulb is a 3157 and the bottom 2 bulbs are 3156. The relevance of using the fluid-filled one is it doesn't impact as hard. The important part is not to drill it too hard and snap your plastic. And I'm pretty sure that unless your light thingy is broken, you're gonna need to disconnect the top wire on the brake light bulb.
On the bottom bulb,
top bulb,
you have to disconnect it to undo it.
But if yours is broken, then you don't have to disconnect it.
Maybe not.
Definitely so. If at any point you get confused about which bulb goes where, there's little tabs that insert, and the tabs on each one are different, and they match up with the housing. It was a lot harder to put it into this light fixture than the old one when I was changing a bulb, and I think the plastic is thicker on this one, I guess. And the tongues on the little wire connectors, they go on the bottom side, not the top side, if you're actually disconnecting them.
The top bulb is a 3157. The bottom 2 bulbs are 3156.
There's some little positioning plastic nubs on the back side of that light fixture that correspond to some little holes in the metal truck body. So it's kind of important the way you put on the light, and you have to hold it there while you put the screws in, or else it'll they won't line up well and it'll be awkward. So just hold it in place. Copper ain't gonna give me no ticket now.